Then the most popular category, which almost all of you can relate with. There's one couple in every group, the lovebirds. Now lovebirds come in buy one get one free packages. If you want one person in group, you have to bear both of them. Everywhere they'll be. Thank you, finally, got my breath back. I think I'm not funny because I'm not one year, right? I can't afford to be. A lot of teachers sitting there, my grades are in their hands. So I hope you can understand what I'm going through. Yeah, talking about lovebirds. Okay, I'll try to be vulgar just once. These people, they come in every group together. Whenever you want them for any activity, they'll be coming in literal sense everywhere together. Yeah, that's all. So after that, I'll be talking about Kamdhenu. For the people amongst you who don't know who Kamdhenu is, Kamdhenu Krishna ji ki गाय को कहते हैं. Kamdhenu is the person who handles and completes all the project work by himself or herself before we even figure out what the topic is. Yeah, claps for all the Kamdhenus. And lastly, people whom I would like to categorize as #forever alone. These people want to meet no matter what. Yaar milte hain na, meeting rakho na, even if all the work is done. Yeah, let's meet up now. We need to do so much. Let's meet up. Even when the group distributes the work amongst themselves, मैं ये करूँगा, तू ये करना, सब अपने अपने room से करेंगे. And these people are like, yeah, let's meet up now. Let's meet up. Meet in common room. Okay, so moving on. Our college is unique in many ways. One of those ways is we have about 15-20 clubs already. 50% of the batches JCC in one club or the other. So why not have a club which interacts with students, which is based on the concept, on the very same concept on which Coffee with Karan is based. So I have a few suggestions to name this club. We can name it as Poha with Noha. Why not Doodh with Sood? थोड़ी सी वल्गैरिटी आ जाए तालियां बज जाती है. Okay, why not name it as Bhojan with Toshan? Moving on, one more thing that I've seen in past 8 months. If you name your child with letter J, there's definitely going to be something very unique in the way he speaks. Exactly. Who was that? Thank you. Pooja Raina. Okay, as expected. So talking about JD is in our section, Pooja, right? So JD speaks so fast that before you would figure out that he has started speaking, probably he's complete with the sentence. For example, he goes like, yeah, so going somewhere, okay, thanks, bye, catch you later. And I'm like, what the FCUK was that? FCUK brand है, marketing पढ़ रहा है लौंडा आजकल, बाकी चीजें छोड़ के. Okay, after JD, let's talk about Jatin. Jatin is desi version of JD. Jatin from my hostel. He's like, one day came to me. अरे उनके ऊपर गए थे यार, तुझे ढूंढने तो मिला ही नहीं यार. तू कहाँ पे जाए थे? इसलिए मैं सब भी गए थे, तू दिखा नहीं यार. कैंटीन इधर लाइब्रेरी से निकला देखा तुझसे मिलने आ गया, चाय पीने का पूछ रहा था यार, तुझसे निकला. And then there's Jayant. Now Jayant is the guy. When it comes to being mute, this guy can give a run to Manmohan Singh for his money. He's muted like Manmohan Singh in many ways, and all the girls, and Adin of course, say he's mute and cute. Okay, talking back about JD and Jatin, coming back to both of them. Most of us have seen the disclaimer that is there in mutual funds ads. Okay, so I think the English disclaimer was given by JD, the voiceover. Mutual funds are subject to market risk. Please read the offer documents carefully before investing. And the Hindi disclaimer was given by Jatin. बाजार निवेश जोखिम के अधीन है. ऑफर किया गया सारे ध्यान से. Lastly, before ending, being here in Goa, being here in GIM, of course, I have to give a reference to our lovely Goans out there. Okay. Yeah, so I was saying, it's working now. Not like the one that we have in MPH. survived so long. Yeah, okay. So before ending up, we'll be talking about all the lovely good ones out there. Out. Hello. What? Okay, yeah. So, referring to all the lovely Goans, they have a lovely accent, which they always try to contradict that it is only me who's making up, and their accent is perfectly normal. But most of you are going to agree. The people who are not from Goa. So this typical Goan accent, I'll refer to an incident that happened with my friend Abbas just a couple of weeks back. He went to Pastry Palace to buy that veg burger. And there was that lady who's usually over the counter during afternoon. So he said, "Ek veg burger dena." And she brought veg burger without onions. So Abbas said, "Onion nahi hai isme, onion do." And that lady goes like, "Onion, bhaiya onion diya." Abbas is shit scared. He's like, "हाँ ठीक है, ऐसा कर लो पहले, बाद में onion डाल दो." Okay, before leaving, there are a lot of people. Amrish Puri, exactly. I knew this is coming, so thank you. Okay, yeah. So before leaving, I would like to mimic Amrish Puri, as most of you want me to. Arey Shom Bom Shambhu Parvati, आ गई तुम. अरे कोई खुशखबरी भी लाई हो के नहीं? अरे लाई हो, जल्दी सुनाओ. Thank you.